Good morning, ma'am. I'm examining number 002. I'm here to take my oral practical exam.
Good morning.
Good morning. May I now prepare my massage table?
Yes, you may.
Yan, play yan. I am done preparing the massage table. May I please call on my client now?
Yes, you may.
Hi, ma'am. Welcome to our spa. Have a seat. What's your reason, ma'am, for coming to our spa?
Just want to relax.
Your BP is 120/80. It's normal. Yan na, take your temperature. Also your pulse. Your temperature is 36.5. It's normal. And your pulse rate is 60. It's also normal for an adult. And I'm just going to take your breathing. Okay, ma'am, it's also normal. It's 16 cycle beats per minute. Pause. Hi, ma'am. According to the data I've collected, you are fit to be massaged. You may now lie down on the bed.
Okay.
On prone position, please. Lagi ito. Cut. There are 5 variations of massage. Effleurage, petrissage, friction, tapotement, and vibration. It has sub-variations. Pause. Effleurage comes from the French word effleur, which means to stroke. Also, unbroken gliding movement repeatedly following the contour of the body. Using the palm, knuckles, fingertips, and forearms. There are also sub-variations of effleurage. Pause. Ironing is a deep gliding using palm gliding, forearm, or fist. Also circular, palm gliding, skin using the circular motion. Pause. Two-handed heart shape, long deep stroke done by both hands in heart-shaped motion. The next is circular. Circular, one hand over or beside other in motion. Over or beside. Stop. Third is raking. Same as one hand raking but using two hands alternative. Two hands alternately raking. Circular, the same as one hand, but using both hands together at circular motion. Pause. Never cut. Nerve stroke. Feather-light finger tracing. Rationale, it is used to introduce touch, applying lubricants, and preferred as transit. Stroke. Was action. The nerve stroke. The feather-light finger tracing. Pause. Petrissage come from the word French fries. Petrissage comes from the French word pétrir, which means to knead, also known as kneading, a cycle of rhythmic liftings, squeezing, and releasing of tissue. First variation of petrissage is one-handed pre-clamp squeezing. Two-handed sub-variation will be the praying hands, finger interlaced, palm squeezing upward. The ocean wave gliding at opposite direction. Pause. Compression. Alternate hand grasp and release alternately. The next sub-variation of the petrissage is pulling. Palm separately pushing down. Separately while moving forward. Next variation is skin rolling. Lifting skin, superficial fascia, downward force involved. Rationale. The hand is in C formation, which is performing stretches and focuses on lifting. Pause. Next is friction. From Latin word fricere, also known as rubbing, decompressing in several directions, sliding hands, palm, knuckles, or arm. Pause. And fourth, over the skin or deeper tissue layers, usually dry or without oil. Variation, superficial warming. The heat rub, palm movement, briskly in opposite direction. Pause. The next sub-variation is rolling. Hold limb with open arm back and forth. From distal to proximal. The ringing, grasp firmly while twisting in opposite direction. Next is the cross fiber. The deep transverse friction, same direction as muscles, tensions, ligaments, fibers, thumbs or fingers move back and forth. The circular small movements that glide superficial tissue over underlying tissue, finger or palm. Tapotement, also known as percussion, from the French word tapoter, means tap or drum, repetitive, striking movement of hand, fingertips, palm, cupping, and close fist. Okay. Variation. Tapping using fingertips, one hand or both hands. Sub-variation is punctuation, hard tapping, pulsing, a light tap, deeply light tap. The raindrops usually used at the face. The pinchment, skin lifted by grasping quickly at the point of striking. Haki, alternate along relaxation. Chopping both hands. Pinchment, skin lifted by grasping quickly at the point of striking. Hacking, alternate along relaxation. Stop. Using the ulnar edge or both hands with last three fingertips. Quaking, both hands loosened, folded. Whacking, loosed, folded, making an air pocket between the palm. Applied together and make a whacking sound. Cupping, cup hand loosen phlegm in the chest cavity. May induce coughing. Pounding, loose fist by moderate strength. Clapping, also known as lapping, palm striking, skin in alternate stroke. Slapping is not recommended to victim abuse. Diffuse, lay palmar surface on while striking back on the hand. Diffuse force, move across surface. Rationale, it may be directly applied to skin or roughly or draping to avoid the last basic massage stroke is the vibration. From the Latin word vibrationem, meaning shaking, rapid shaking, quivering, trembling, or rocking movements applied with fingertips. Variation of vibration. First is the fine fingertips trembling or skin fingers and rigid gliding along. Teka lang, wait pa. Next is jostling. Jostling is the rhythmic and vigorous shaking back and forth. The coarse, grasp, and most proximal. Rocking, the push and catch motion. Rationale, performing vibration correctly needs coordination and practice. It is the most demanding massage stroke. Ma'am, we're done with your relaxation massage. You may rest for a while. After a few seconds, ma'am, you may pause. Ma'am, we're done with your relaxation massage. You may rest for a while, and after second or 10 seconds, You may slide on your side lying position carefully. Let me assist you. Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang. Dito harap. Okay. Side lying lang. Gano'n lang pala. Pwede tayo ng ikot ulit. Sneakers. The 5 basic strokes of massage are finished. Next. Sorry, okay na. As I can see, you're physically fit, ma'am. And may I suggest to continue taking care of yourself. Take a lot of body fluids. To be exact, come at least once a month here. Visit us in our spa. Thank you, ma'am. Have a seat first. How's your feeling, ma'am? How about my pressure? How about, is it okay for you? Is it too hard? Is it soft? Just right. Just right. Okay, ma'am. By the way, thank you. And can you please recommend me to other clients that will be going on our spa the next time? Okay, thank you. Sure. How's your feeling, ma'am?
I feel good.
How's your massage? Or the pressure that I gave you?
Just right for me.
Thank you, ma'am. By the way, can you please recommend me to others, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, the client is already done. May I pack up the bed and my things?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, done. Thank you, ma'am, for the opportunity to showcase what I've learned from my class, especially to all my mentors. Give it a chance. We meet again. I hope you will recognize me. Thank you.